Alright guys, hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. Once again, I am doing an unboxing today, so be excited. This is kind of my new unboxing setup. So, I know, hopefully it works. And just if you're wondering, I'm using a Logitech C920 and a Blue Yeti microphone. So I did an unboxing not too long ago. I got this, tax returns and whatnot, ordered some new knives. The new knives are out. And I ordered this. I believe this is from Blade HQ. But we will find out. And we're going to crack it open with one of the new knives. This is the Best Tech Eye of Raw, which is a pretty cool looking knife here. The action's really sweet with it. It's actually really comfortable. So keep an eye out for a review of that when I get around to it. So we're going to use it to crack this bad boy open. So let's see what's in here. I know I think I ordered a few things, but I don't really know. Can't really remember. So I'm just as excited. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay. Wait. Oh, maybe there's another one. Well, here it is, guys. I guess I ordered a Victorinox Swiss Army knife in this package. And wow, look at that. So I totally forgot I ordered this. So this is the Victorinox Spartan with some really wacky kind of eyeball pattern on it. I bought this knife, now that I remember, because I needed a knife maybe with a corkscrew for some reason. And also this knife was on, I think on sale for like $20 on Blade HQ at the time. And I've never had one of these kind of off-the-wall scale ones. I mean, I do have a camo tracker, I think it's called. But, I am a fan of SAK knives. And, this one's interesting. So part of it was just seeing what these different colored scale style SAK knives are about. And let's do a quick first impressions here. Now, I don't necessarily have this model. I don't think I've ever had this model, so I'm actually kind of excited to carry it. Yeah, so much lighter than the Eye of Raw. But that's kind of neat and gnarly. Has kind of like a tan off-white on the sides, and then it kind of, on the edges, it isn't quite finished all the way, so I don't know if it has, like, personally the cleanest look to me. But this one has the two blades. Oh, the action's really smooth on this. I like it. Your two screwdriver, bottle opener on one side, and then the other, you got a corkscrew and an awl. And we got toothpick and tweezers. So yeah, guys, I don't know, something funky. I'm actually kind of excited to carry this. I'll have to end up doing a review of this one, see what the Spartan's like. I will say right off the bat, I don't think corkscrews are needed, at least in America. I don't know, maybe this was like a French person's knife. And they must just be popping off bottles of wine out there, but I remember I had like an off-brand Swiss Army knife when I was in the Scouts, and there was a corkscrew on there. I never knew what the heck to do with the corkscrew. It's just something you don't... I don't know. I just don't feel it's needed on a knife anymore. Well, okay, I can't say that. I'm sure there's somebody who'll use it. But there you have it, guys. This is the Victorinox Spartan with some wacky eyeball stuff on it. I should find out what the eyeball art is from. So other than that, guys, I will leave a link in the description below for the Eye of Raw as well. And then it wasn't the knife that I was expecting, so I am assuming I should be getting another package. So we'll have to do another unboxing and see what's in that one. So thank you, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video with you find it interesting. And 2, give me some feedback. Let me know how the audio is coming in and the video on this unboxing setup is, okay? Other than that, guys, take it easy. Peace, and I'll see you outside.